Kael Gates is an international law firm providing advice and counsel to every conceivable kind of corporate client and business client. We have about 2,000 lawyers throughout about 48 offices throughout the world. So this category, innovation technologies, these are companies that are providing cutting-edge technologies to other companies, permitting their customers to provide their services and products faster, cheaper, easier, and allowing them to be successful. So the success, these companies, their impact is exponential compared to other companies. They play an essential role in the growth and success of the other companies.
Solution Provider of the Year, Innovative Technology. 412 Food Rescue.
412 Food Rescue recovers food from food retailers and transports it to nonprofits who are in need. 412 Food Rescue is one of the fastest growing food recovery organizations in the United States. In as little as 2 years, we have rescued over 1.8 million pounds of food, and we work with over 275 retailers and over 300 nonprofits. I think what's even more amazing is that in the Pittsburgh region, over 2,000 people have signed on to be food rescue heroes.
ANSYS.
ANSYS is the global leader in engineering simulation. We enable our customers to innovate and to solve the world's most complex engineering challenges. We also hired some people in our team to specifically focus on startups, not only here in Pittsburgh, but across the country and across the globe. We want to be part of supporting that ecosystem to have those brilliant computer scientists and engineers and designers to use our technology to make the world a better place.
Cybergenetics.
Cybergenetics is a Pittsburgh-based bioinformation company. TruAllele is a technology that Cybergenetics developed. We provide it to crime labs as a product. Most DNA evidence is a mixture of 2 or more people that's very hard for crime labs to accurately interpret. TruAllele separates DNA mixtures, making it easier to get accurate DNA match statistics, whether it's for exonerating the innocent, convicting the guilty, or helping to avoid convicting the innocent. I think it's fantastic that we can bring science into justice.
Gray matter.
At Gray Matter, we work on something called the Industrial Internet. We use a unique blend of technology, consulting, some of our own IP to help some of the biggest manufacturing companies, water companies, and energy companies work smarter with their data. And at Gray Matter, we really have a growth-oriented philosophy, so we've been knocking the barriers to growth down. The people we have are awesome. We have an unbelievably great process for strategic planning and execution. It's evident to anybody that tours through how cool of a place it is to work.
JazHR.
JazHR greatly simplifies and improves results of recruiting for small businesses through a very intuitive and simple to use software. Over the course of the last year and a half, we have added channels as a way to expand our reach into US-based small businesses. So we have partnered with large small business aggregators such as Namely, such as ZipRecruiter, such as JustWorks, to help propel us forward into a much more rapidly growing company.
Luma Institute.
Luma is a catalyst that empowers people to innovate everywhere. We do that by providing training, resources, and innovation capability development programs. As a mission-driven company, we believe our success is best measured by what our clients achieve using the Luma system of innovation. From an innovation lab in Rwanda to a cohort of Pittsburgh police officers to a company like Autodesk, which is a Fortune 500 company. It's the innovation changes these individuals, teams, and organizations are bringing to their world that matter to us.
Savvier.
JazHR is a very unique business. We solve problems that are typically overlooked by existing software packages. With the JazHR Knowledge Management System, we've been able to eliminate the time that it takes to onboard new employees by closing the knowledge gap from someone that's been inside the business for 20 years to someone that has just started 3 months ago. Typical solutions are for medium to large size companies such as Vector Security, Calgon Carbon, Arconic. We've been able to go into those companies and create solutions that help propel the business into the future.
TruFit.
Here at TruFit, we love working with companies of all sizes to create new software products. One of the projects that was really meaningful for us was working with the Center for Victims here locally. We worked with them to automate a process that they have in place so that victims get notified when offenders move through the criminal justice system. Another project that we really enjoyed working on this past year was launching Teamology, which is a platform that helps teachers work with students around character development. We get excited about creating software that makes the world a better place.
Please welcome to the stage David Lehman, partner at Kael Gates.
Good evening. We at Kael Gates are delighted to continue to sponsor the Tech 50 Awards and celebrate the achievements of these great companies. Congratulations to all the finalists. And the category leader is, let's see. I hope it's really large so I can see it. There it is. Cybergenetics.
I'd like to thank Pittsburgh for providing an amazing environment with universities and hospitals and neighborhoods and people, for being able to build an innovative science that can reach in with computers into forensic evidence and find truth. I'd like to thank Pittsburgh for creating an amazing legal environment where we could innovate in the courts and work with phenomenal prosecutors, defenders, and judges to find new ways of communicating DNA evidence. And finally, I'd like to thank Pittsburgh for giving us just an amazing community of being able to build a company with great employees where we could have an impact on the country in bringing much better science into justice. Thank you, everyone.